Hey guys, Kyle, Metro57. So there is a lot of stock market money out there that's buying up houses, investor houses as people like to call them. I happen to be one of those contractors that they call, and we do investor home remodeling. So they'll buy a house that's in a less than perfect state. They ultimately want to turn it around and sell it or turn it around and rent it, but it's not rentable. So they call me, and the contracts typically can range from $10,000 to as much as we've had a $90,000 renovation contract here in the last 12 months. This is a typical example of worst case. I mean, extreme. There's no electrical, there's no plumbing, but typically it's update the kitchen, update the master bathroom, update the bathrooms, all the stuff that you know after you watch tons of HGTV videos, but it is all done in short little cycles, and I'll be in the middle of 5 different remodels this month in Dallas, Fort Worth, and we work for the investors. Ultimately, I'm the Zillows and Open Doors of the world, and I'm a contractor for them, and that's the type of stuff we do to supplement on top of the multifamily work that we do. If I can help in any way, if you've got questions, give me a call. Metro57, Kyle King.